Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. It's Halloween time, so I will be a cat. Meow. So today we will make something spooky. You know what is it? Football. And this one easy to make, and just for snack, Halloween easy make. So quick and easy, but taste really good. So we will need oil, and this is I bought at a Asian market. This is a lobster, and this is a shrimp ball. So I will check the oil about 350. So you can put the fish, but just remember when you put something frozen in the oil, maybe the oil will flat a little bit, so be careful, burn you. The oil. This is my favorite fish ball because this one like memory. When I'm a teenager, after school we have to stop by some places have the fish ball because this is so good, like tastes really good. So and you can eat fish ball with sriracha and hoisin. You mix them together. Sometimes the store will give you some pickle, carrot and daikon. But here sometimes I go in Asian market. They have many different flavor of fish ball. They make like beef ball, lobster, shrimp, and I think even pork. But I never tried pork yet. So you can eat this one with some beer. Really good. And this one, if you cook, right, you find the oil and you try to stay and turn because it will burn quick. So when you turn, you see one side light brown, check. Keep turning. So when the shrimp or lobster ball already floating, fly around and look buffy, that's done. Take out. This is really good snack. Sometimes they put a fish ball inside a tom yum soup. If you haven't tried the tom yum soup, you can try a fish ball in the soup. But when you fry, I think the best flavor, really good. Easy. We are almost done. You just keep turning. Let me get the pan. If you cook 350 till so hot and easy burn, you can go like 325 or 300 and just turning. This fish ball really common in Asia, and we call cá yin chiên or tôm yin chiên, really famous. Let the kid, any kid will know what I am talking about. And now you know, if you like, you can say cá yin chiên. Really good snack. And if you visit Vietnam, you have to look for it because in Vietnam they make really good cá yin chiên. Okay, we are almost done. See, super fast and easy. Get napkin ready. Just put them there. The bottom of the bowl. Drain up the oil. Or even then, you can eat this one with kimchi too. They're good together. Let me show you super puffy now. Let's see. Yeah. Look, when this done, it's puffy like this. Look, so yummy. And you can eat with kimchi or daikon, carrot, pickle, and then with the sauce, just dipping, even Thai chili. That's amazing. So, happy Halloween! Thank you so much for watching. Please try some and you will love it. Hold on. Please like my channel and thank you so much. Bye.